India has declared war on China's rare earth monopoly, pumping $788 million into manufacturing rare earth magnets. India aims to target the domestic capability in a critical industry where China is currently dominating. This comes after MEA confirmed that recent import licenses for magnets went to Indian firms.
We have been in touch with the Chinese side. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce and General Administration of Customs in early April, as you would be aware, had announced the decision to implement export controls on certain rare earth related items. We are in touch with the Chinese side both here in Delhi as also in Beijing to bring predictability in supply chain for trade consistent with your question. Yes, we confirm that some Indian companies have received licenses for importing rare earth magnets from China. As far as the question of the latest talks and relaxations that have happened between US and China as to how it's going to play into our domain, that I will come back to you. We have to yet look at. I am not aware of the technicalities, but we will come back to you.
Now, China's not just mining rare earths, it's processing 92% of the global supply.
Rare earths are used in technology, electronics, medical care, and military applications. But they're also very important for the clean energy transition. Electric vehicles, solar photovoltaic panels, and more use rare earths for key parts such as batteries and magnets. So who has a dominant position in rare earths? Well, China accounts for about 61% of rare earths production and 92% of processing, a near monopoly, the International Energy Agency estimates. Now, China has made it extremely difficult for the US to get access to its swath of rare earths minerals this year through suspending shipments and restrictions on exports. Actions which have really escalated the trade war with President Donald Trump. China has long dominated in the space because of its supply, especially of what are called heavy rare earths, and its long-standing investment in both extraction and refining.
On the other hand, the US scrambles to reduce dependency on China after it enforces export bans. Washington has started investing in domestic production, but the gap is too wide to cover. Globally, countries now have to rethink entire rare earth supply chains, and that's when India's initiative has come in. For India, this could be a game changer. India's betting on self-reliance by slashing China's leverage over critical areas like telecom, AI, defense, and tech, therefore reducing the global dependency on China.
Policy stability, predictable regulations, और large scale demand है. ऐसे में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, फार्मा, एनर्जी, फाइनेंस सहित हर क्षेत्र में अभूतपूर्व अवसर मौजूद है. यह भी खुशी का विषय है कि यूके की 9 यूनिवर्सिटीज भारत में अपना कैंपस खोलने जा रही है. आने वाले समय में एकेडेमिया और इंडस्ट्री की साझेदारी हमारी इनोवेशन इकोनॉमी का सबसे बड़ा ड्राइविंग फोर्स बनेगी. साथियों, आज टेलीकॉम, एआई, बायोटेक, क्वांटम, सेमीकंडक्टर, साइबर और स्पेस जैसे क्षेत्रों में हमारे बीच सहयोग की अनगिनत नई संभावनाएं बन रही हैं. डिफेंस के क्षेत्र में भी हम को डिजाइन और को प्रोडक्शन की ओर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. अब समय है कि हम इन सभी संभावनाओं को कॉन्क्रीट सहयोग में बदलने पर तेज गति से काम करें. क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स, रेयर अर्थ, एपीआई जैसे स्ट्रेटेजिक सेक्टर्स में हमें स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। इससे हमारे संबंधों को एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक दिशा भी मिलेगी।